Okay, so I'm getting ready to sand the filler that we put down in our last video. Sanding blocks like these are great, but a bit expensive. I still prefer an old block of wood and some regular sandpaper. We mainly need to get rid of any splinters or bumps and just to get the wood flat. I place the wood on the back of the sandpaper and mark it, then I draw a line from the one side to the other. I fold the sandpaper on that line just to make it fit nicely. Once I've folded it back and forth a few times, I tear it. I'm using 100 grit sandpaper, which seems to sand easily but also does not leave scratches. So I sand in small circles. This flattens the surface evenly. And once I've sanded the entire filled area, I take my pencil and I mark all the places that need more filler. This makes it easier to do the second layer. So I felt a bump here at the bottom of the wall. So I'm going to mark where the bump is so that I can fix it. So I take my screwdriver and I break open the hole. Then using the edge of my scraper, I open the hole even further. And because there'd be loose particles, grains of sand, I brush the opening and then I'm ready to fill. And in case you didn't watch my previous video, the first coat of filler must be completely dry before you do the second layer. Okay, so now that I've sanded and fixed the holes, I'm going to wipe it off with a soft cloth. I always do that before the next layer. That helps it to stick well. With my filler mixed, I start filling the hole and then I move on to the rest of the area. The main thing is to try and level out the filler as you go. This will give us a smooth surface afterwards. The marking of the holes really helps me. I can clearly see where I have to fill and it just makes the job go quicker. This may take a little while, but once you've gone through and filled all of the holes, you need to be patient and just to let it dry. This time you'd find that it probably dries a bit quicker because you've only put on a very thin layer. Once again, I sand in circles. There's quite a bit of filler dust, so I use a dust mask, especially when I'm doing such a large area. Also remember to put something down on the floor. It just makes it much easier to clean up the dust afterwards. Well, I'm so relieved that this huge hole is filled. Be sure to watch the next video where I'll be showing you how to undercoat this section. Thanks for watching and please remember to subscribe.